let me say something you almost never hear in the financial industry. This video is going to save people time about annuities from buying the wrong product if you don't need it. And if you're going to stay all the way to the end, you're going to know clearly with total confidence whether a fixed index annuity is a good strategy for you and smart, or is it something that you should avoid and you should not use? Because remember, everyone's needs are different. So, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here with Retire with Earl, with a decade license in the financial services industry. So make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, and click on the description so you could actually know a little bit more about what I do and schedule yourself a consultation. So I'm going to get right to it. I'm not telling you just why fixed index annuities are going to be great today. I'm going to be telling you who should not buy one. Because the fastest way to build wealth is honestly, folks, is knowing when to say no. And a lot of people just don't. So a fixed index annuity, right, or FIA, some people call it, is designed to protect your principal, okay? It limits the downside risk and it offers you growth that's linked to the market without having direct exposure, okay? So it sounds safe, it sounds smart, but here's the real question that most people, honestly, they don't ask when it comes to this. It's safe for what timeline, right? It's safe for what goal? It's safe for who, okay? Because no financial product, folks, is good or bad on its own. It's not. This is not how it works. It's only good or bad based on how you are literally going to plan on using the money. Short term, long term, right? So let me just give you the honest list. I want you to have a list. Number one, okay? You need your money soon. If you need your money soon, all right, and you need access to a large chunk of this money in the next, let's say, 1 to 3 years, a fixed index annuity is probably not going to work for you because it's a contract. You need to be there for a long enough time, right? Pretty much, ask yourself this question. If you needed 20% of this money next year, would you still buy it? All right, most fixed index annuities, they have a surrender period, all right, commonly anywhere from 7 to 10 years. And during that time, you could access, part of your money, but usually it's only around 7 to 10% per year. All right, and that's without a penalty. But if you need more than that, you pull more than that, trust me, you're going to have to face surrender charges. If you're under 59 and a half, you're going to have to do that. So if this is emergency money, all right, emergency money for a house purchase, all right, for a business purchase or things of that nature, honestly, you may be forcing yourself, forcing a square peg into a round hole, getting that fixed index annuity. So have you ever asked yourself, even though it sounds good, have you asked yourself, do I really know when? Okay, when do I need this money again? That's number one. Now, reason number two, right, you're chasing maximum growth. If you're doing that, let's be real. Let's be real. If your number one goal, okay, is to be aggressive and have aggressive growth, and you're comfortable with, the market swings, market going up, market going down, all that stuff, a fixed index annuity might frustrate you because it's not going to work that way. And why is that? Literally, because fixed index annuities, they trade unlimited upside for downside protection. So you can't get all the upside, but you got that protection. Most annuities, they have caps, they have participation rates, or they have certain spreads. And what does that mean? That means when the market explodes a certain year and explodes upward, your return is going to be limited. It could be 10%, 12%. If the market does 20, look, let me ask you this. Would you, in this case, would you panic if your account dropped 20% in a bad year, right? And if the honest answer is no, like you won't panic and you're 100% focused on just having the growth, right? There may be different tools out there. There may be different strategies better suited for that because you're not going to be able to chase the maximum growth inside a fixed index annuity. They're built for people who value sleep at night money, not the thrill, not the ride money. You want it. Look, I know it's going to be there. Now, reason number three, you haven't defined your goal. This is huge. This one is so huge because it's the biggest downfall a lot of my clients have. And if you don't know why you're buying into an annuity, I guarantee you probably shouldn't buy one. If you don't have a main reason, you shouldn't. Is this money going to be for a future income? Is it going to be for principal protection? Is it going to be for legacy planning? Is it going to be for market link growth without the loss? You see what I'm saying? You need to know what it is. Because when people tell me and they say, all right, I've heard annuities, they're all bad, or I've heard, that annuities, they're amazing, it could be great. Honestly, folks, what they really mean is, based off them, they never matched, right? They never matched the product to the purpose. That's what I always say. And let me ask you this question. What job, okay? What does this job that you have, what do you need the dollar to do, right? So every dollar should have pretty much an assignment, should have a plan. Where's the money going? And without that, even a good product, guys, it becomes a bad decision if you don't know what you're using that money for. Now, the next reason is you're young and you're fully flexible. This is the biggest one. If you're in your 20s, if you're in your early 30s, and you're building income, getting your career started, you're paying down debt, right? And you still need full flexibility, fixed index annuities may not be your first stop. It could be your stop, but maybe not your first stop. And I'll tell you why. Because time is your biggest asset. Folks, this is huge. In your 20s and your 30s, you can recover from volatility a lot easier than someone older. You may need something liquid, right? Your life is still changing, so you could do a lot of stuff. Now, that doesn't mean annuities are off limits to you if you're in your 20s or 30s, right? It means that the timing is going to matter if you want that. Have you ever thought about, think about it, have you ever thought about, is this money meant for the next chapter of my life when you're in your 20s, or is it going to be for your last chapter? And that's what you need to understand. What fixed index annuities are and what they're good for. How to structure it. Now, let me be clear with you guys. Let me be clear. This is not a anti-annuity video. I love annuities. They're great, but they're great for the right person. A fixed index annuity, it could be incredibly powerful. It could be so huge. And they're often well suited, right, for people who want what? They want to have that protection from the market, especially if they're older. They don't have to worry about losses. They want predictable income later in life because you can have lifetime income. A safer transition from accumulation like a 401k to retirement, so you don't have to worry about any losses. In fact, most retirees say that their biggest fear, it isn't really missing the gains, when they're saving money, it's running out of money. Well, that's huge. And that's where fixed index annuities could shine, honestly, right? When you use it correctly, using it that way. So the real truth that most advisors or financial professionals skip out when it comes to annuities, they don't want to tell you guys this, but listen, a fixed index annuity is not a yes or no product, folks. I say it all the time. It's a when, why, and how much product. Not a yes or no. How much do you need? And if anyone ever tells you, this is perfect for everyone, listen. That's your clue right there. Slow down, get a second opinion, because good planning always starts with better questions, not the fastest decisions, not the fastest results. So let me ask you this, folks. All right. If this is not for you, don't worry about annuities. Don't worry about this video. Okay. But if this video is for you, if it might be a good strategy for you, well, look, make sure you guys check the link in my description. We can sit down, schedule a consultation, figure out if this could actually work for you, because there's pros and cons. It's not good for everyone. But make sure, guys, if you found this information helpful, if you're thinking about an annuity, understand you need to know how it's being used, not yes and no. If you have the time for your money to grow, and understand it's a portion of your portfolio, not your whole portfolio. Have a little Social Security, have your annuity, have your real estate, have your crypto, have what you've built up in your savings, your IRAs, all those supplement for the income that you have. So if you guys understand that, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.